Today we're going to talk about a difficult and complex topic, trauma bonds and the intense connection that can sometimes manifest sexually within them. So it's important to understand that this isn't about healthy intimacy, it's about a distorted and often extremely addictive cycle. Trauma bonds form in relationships where there's an imbalance of power, often involving cycles of abuse and intermittent reinforcement. And this means periods of intense closeness and affection mixed with periods of cruelty, neglect, or even violence. And this creates a confusing and highly charged emotional environment. So why does the sex in these situations feel so intense? Well, it's not necessarily about genuine love or connection. It's often fueled by a cocktail of neurochemical and psychological factors. So when there's abuse or threat, our bodies release stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, and this can create a heightened sense of arousal and a sense of danger that gets intertwined with sexual feelings. It's a distorted version of fight or flight. Then there's the intermittent reinforcement. After a period of tension or conflict, there might be a sudden surge of affection and intimacy, which includes sex, and this creates a powerful sense of relief and a big old rush of dopamine, the pleasure chemical. It's like a reward and it reinforces the bond even though it's unhealthy. And this cycle mimics addiction. The highs are incredibly high, making the lows seem bearable, and you keep on chasing that high again and again and again. And this intense cycle creates a false sense of intimacy and connection. It can feel incredibly powerful, of course, because it's tied to our survival instincts and our deep emotional needs. But it's not genuine love. It's a distorted dynamic rooted in trauma, and the intensity isn't a sign of a soulmate connection, it's a sign of a dysfunctional and potentially dangerous relationship. It's crucial to distinguish between healthy intimacy and the distorted intensity of a trauma bond. True intimacy is based on mutual respect, trust, and safety. Trauma bonds, on the other hand, are based on fear, manipulation, and a cycle of abuse. Now, if you suspect that you're in a trauma-bonded relationship, please reach out for help. Talking to a therapist or a trusted friend can provide clarity and support. And you deserve healthy love, not just a cycle of pain and fleeting intensity.